Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. Okay, really quick, we are going to be starting the Canning Basics 101. I've gotten a lot of emails and private messages about that, and a lot of people want to learn how to can from scratch. So we're going to be doing a series right from the beginning, what you need to can, and the basics, the very, very basics of canning, safety measures and stuff like that. But what I wanted to show you guys on Saturday or Sunday, okay, I'm gonna give it 2 days. I just got asparagus at Aldi. Asparagus are 97 cents per bag, not per pound, per bag. And these are, they're more than a pound. Let me see. What are they? Gosh, they're probably almost 2 pounds a bag. So 97 cents for asparagus. I have never canned asparagus. So I want to do this. I'm going to get, I've got to look through my cans and see my jars and see what I have. I think I have enough 1.5 jars to do this. If not, I'm going to do it in quarts. And it's really simple, and I'm going to take you guys on the journey with me because this is something new to me. So I've never done this. I have heard that it's really good. So we're going to learn together. And I'm also going to be doing dehydrating broccoli, which I've never done either. So you guys are going to learn right along with me, and we're going to find out if we like it or if we don't like it. And, that's how we learn is trial and error. So, broccoli, I've heard dehydrated is very good. It dehydrates really, rehydrates really well. And then I've heard that asparagus can really well from some of my favorite canners, like Linda's Pantry. So we're going to be doing this along with me. You guys are going to learn with me. I know how to do it. I know how to do it correctly. So I'm going to teach you along the way. And I hope you enjoy the journey. If you have an Aldi, go get these asparagus, guys, because these are $2.99 everywhere else. In Vaughn's, Albertsons, Smart & Final, Rayleigh's. I mean, everywhere else, they're like $2.99 a pound. And these are 97 cents a package. So I got 3. I may go back before I do the video and get some more. It depends on how many jars I have. That's why I only got 3 packages. Otherwise, I'm going to be, otherwise I would have gotten 10 packages for $10. I mean, that's a really great deal for asparagus. So, yeah. Joy in the journey, guys. Let's have joy in the journey. And we'll can asparagus this weekend. So let me know if you're on board and you're going to do this with me. If you are, maybe we'll do a live video. I haven't done a live canning video yet. And I haven't done a live video at all in probably about a year. So let me know what you guys want to see. If you want it live, if you want it taped. And we'll just go from there. Okay? So here's my 3. And if you guys want to do a live, I'm going to get some more and can away. Tomorrow is the fair. We didn't enter this year because I was gone. I was on vacation up to my daughter's while the entries were being accepted, and I didn't get to enter anything in this year's fair, and neither did my granddaughters, and they're kind of bummed. But tomorrow we are going to the fair, and we're going to look at all the canning things that the kids and the adults got. So I may videotape that. I may not. I have my grandson tomorrow. First time I'm taking him to the fair. Yay! I'm so excited. So we're going to be having fun. So I'm not sure if I'm going to have time to videotape in between. He's 4, and he's amazing. He's just amazing. So I want to have fun with him tomorrow. But I may have time to do a 1 or 2 minute video here and there. So we'll see. But again, we didn't enter anything this year, and it's probably the first year. Oh gosh, Ava is 12, so probably the first year in about 6 years, 7 years that she hasn't entered something, and she's kind of bummed. So next year for sure. So we will see you guys Saturday or Sunday, and look for a fair video from me sooner than that. Okay. So, yeah, I'm making dinner right now. I've got the girls, and overnight, because we're ready to go to the fair tomorrow, I've just got to pick up my grandson, and yeah, we're going to spend the day at the fair. We saw Styx the other night. Awesome, awesome, awesome band. My error. Hope you guys all know who Styx are. If you don't, then go look them up, man. They're 80s band. They're awesome. So, yeah. We're having fun here, enjoying our new house. We are thoroughly enjoying our new house. We are not unpacked. We are not unpacked yet. Here is my dining room. I have no dining room yet. So that is something I'm going to be working on this weekend. But, yeah. My Excalibur is over here. We're going to be dehydrating, I think, broccoli in that. And maybe freezing some broccoli, depending on how much I get. I have about 8 pounds of broccoli right now in my refrigerator, which is really not a lot, but we'll see. And then I have all this. I'm freezing my pork chops that I'm making tonight. Those are extra. My bratwurst that I got the other night, I'm going to freeze the remainder of those because we didn't use them. And then I got chicken thighs tonight at Aldi. Gosh, I am so blessed to have an Aldi right down the street. I have 2 of them actually, and it's really, really cool. It's really, really cool. You know, I don't know how many of you have Aldi, but if you do, utilize their stuff, man. It is amazing. Their prices on their boxed like rice and macaroni and cheese, their pasta dinners, really, really good. And it's all quality stuff. It's a Trader Joe's company. They're Trader Joe's in America, and they're Aldi in Germany. So, and I love Trader Joe's. So, yeah, we're gonna utilize Aldi to the max here. I mean, it's yeah, I love having Aldi. It's literally right down the street from me. So if you don't have an Aldi, I'm really sorry. I know the Midwest got them before we did. Hopefully they'll be expanding. I know my daughter wants one up in the Sacramento area, and hopefully they'll be expanding up there really soon. So, yeah, if you have one, go to your Aldi. They have amazing deals. They've got chicken thighs. I got chicken thighs tonight. I think they were 97 cents, which is not great. I mean, I get it for 69 cents, 79 cents at Smart and Final. But I got some, you know, just to have in the freezer. I'm going to food save them and put them in the freezer. That's what you guys saw over here. That's what I'm going to do over here, along with the bratwurst. And then the pork chops were $2.19 a pound. And those were assorted pork chops. So they have bone in, which my husband likes, so I get them. And I'm going to freeze. I made some, and I'm going to freeze the rest. And I paid $6.94, $7 for 2 dinners. You know, that's incredible. And I already have the vegetables and the potatoes and everything to go with it. I made my baked potatoes in the Instapot tonight for the first time. And the next video, I will tell you how they turned out. I've never done that. So there's a lot of stuff that I'm trying as well, you know, that I've never done before. And I'm going to share it with you guys, you know, whether I like it or not. I'm going to share it. So we're on this journey together. And I hope that you will stay aboard with me and enjoy the journey. There is joy in the journey, guys. Let's enjoy everything that we possibly can. And share, you know, if you have any comments or, you know, anything else. If you have something to add, please add it to the comments below. I really appreciate that. If you want to see something, please let me know. My email is thecanningnana@gmail.com. If any of you don't know that, I think most of you know that by now, because I've heard from a lot of you, about the Canning 101 basics, and a lot of you want to know that, so I'm going to do it. And I'm also going to do what I normally can, and a tour of my pantry, and we're going to be doing blueberry jam and lemon curd because somebody local has requested that, a really good friend of mine. So we're going to be doing that too. So there's a lot coming up. I will be home now until at least November, so I have lots of time. And my back is doing kind of okay, I guess. Not great, but good enough to can. So, and good enough to take the kids to the fair tomorrow without going on rides. They'll be going on rides by themselves. I won't be going on rides. I can't do that yet. But hopefully next year I'll be able to do that. I'm hoping. So, yeah. So let me know what you guys want to see, because I need a list of upcoming things, and I take it from you guys. Whatever you guys want to see. This is why I'm here. It's you. It's my viewers. It's my viewer base. That's why I started this, is to teach canning. So I'm not going away from that. Whatever you guys want to see is what I'm going to do. There's strawberry jam coming up. I already have that in the freezer, so we're going to be doing that soon. And then the blueberry jam and lemon curd is coming. I know there's a video on that already. It's not entirely perfect, so I'm going to probably redo it, as well as anything that I did in the past with bad quality video, I'm going to be redoing. So let me know. I want to hear from you guys. Right, Chelsea? Yes. Say yes. We want to hear from you guys.
Yes. We want to hear from you guys.
Okay. So don't disappoint Chels, and let us hear from you guys. Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. There you have it from the kid's mouth. So we can't disappoint Chelsea. Chelsea's been with us from the very beginning. Huh?
And they do Chelsea tomatoes.
Yes, we did Chelsea tomatoes at the other house, because Chelsea, when she was born, she was a premature baby. She came 6 weeks early. So she's our miracle baby. Huh? And look at this miracle baby now. She's a big girl, and she's really healthy, and we thank God for her. We are blessed to have her here. So,
I'm sure it's dirty.
Yeah, it is very dirty, baby. I know. Anyway, so yes, we're going to have a garden here, and we're going to have Chelsea tomatoes. Chelsea tomatoes, if you guys haven't followed me long enough, are sun gold tomatoes. They're the orange cherry tomatoes. If you guys don't know already, a lot of my viewers know what Chelsea tomatoes are. We call them Chelsea tomatoes because when we moved into the last house we were at almost 8 years ago, we had cherry tomatoes, and those tomatoes turned orange, and I'd never had them before. So they were called sun gold tomatoes, but I didn't know that at the time. And Chelsea was born, and she was early, so she was in the NICU. And because she was born but not able to come home for 31 days, which was a very long time. So we were picking tomatoes, and we named them Chelsea tomatoes after her. Huh?
Yeah.
They're named after you, baby. Yes. Yeah. And she's really proud of that. And now her aunt grows them, and we will have them next year. We do not have them here this year, but we will next year. So that's the story of Chelsea tomatoes. What?
Right.
Right?
Are you sure, Nana?
I am sure, baby. I'm positive. I promise. We will have major Chelsea tomatoes. Lots and lots and lots. Okay? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yes. She demands Chelsea tomatoes, so we will have them. Anyway, okay, so I'm out of here. I'm going to do dinner. It's 7:30 already. I'm late on dinner.
7:31.
Oh my gosh, 7:31. Lissa.
Still late.
That's the other one.
Late.
Oh my goodness.
Late.
Okay, so I'm late on dinner. They've already eaten, guys. I do not starve. I do not starve my granddaughters. Their mama bought them food before they got here. Mickey D's, yes. Yeah, they had McD's. Okay.
No, not Mickey D's.
Lissa.
No, Mickey D's. We watch Mickey Mouse.
Oh my gosh. Yes,
Mickey
Chelsea. Mickey D's. Oh, yes. Yes. Got these at Aldi today, too. 50 cents, guys. They've got sugar cookie mix and a glove and a... Wait, where is it? The cookie cutter is right there. I love Mickey Mouse, in case you guys don't know. Mickey Mouse is the ultimate. Wait, Chelsea. Yeah, I collect anything Mickey Mouse. Just so you guys know, I have passes to Disneyland. We go all the time.
You guys should buy these. They're really cool.
These, well, I don't think they're going to find them. These were only 50 cents. These were marked down. So I bought 3 of them. So, yeah. Anything Mickey Mouse, I am there. So, anyway, we're going to go. I have to do dinner, and I will see you guys all soon. Lissa's showing you my stash.
It's right here.
My Mickey
It's a
stash.
Mickey Mouse
Yes,
cookie
it is. Be careful. Okay. Bye, everybody. What, honey? Yes.
We used to watch Mickey Mouse all the time.
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. With our Greek yogurt.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, with our coffee yogurt.
Yes, it was coffee. Oh my gosh. And here's Ava with Mickey Mouse. All my granddaughters, guys. You know, this is how blessed I am. This is awesome. You're ratting me out. They know I like Mickey Mouse, so it's good.
And she does, but she likes bananas.
Who does?
You.
Oh, me? I like bananas?
Bananas.
No way. I like bananas. Are there bananas down there? Wow. There
Bananas
are.
in there.
What else do I have, Lissa? What else are you going to tell?
You have cat food. You like cat food?
I do not eat cat food. No, I do not. I do not eat cat food. Okay. Hot Mickey Mouse. Yes. Ava's showing Mickey Mouse.
Mickey
Yeah,
Mouse.
I have a ton of Mickey Mouse stuff.
And Mickey
Okay.
Mouse.
Anyway, I've got to go to my pork chops. Otherwise, my dinner is going to burn, guys. I will see you guys soon. This weekend, we are doing broccoli and asparagus. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're along for the ride. See you later. Bye.